We are looking at how to pronounce the name of these boots, these brand name of boots and shoes. More fashion pronunciations coming up, stay tuned. Sorel, Sorel. We are looking at how to pronounce the name of these boots, these brand name of boots and shoes. More fashion pronunciations coming up, stay tuned. Sorel, Sorel. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.